Welcome to the MBS Engineering channel. Today, we will understand the construction features of the V-belt. Next, we will learn the construction features of the V-belt. The first construction part is steel wires. The steel wires are continuous and have no joints. These wires provide the necessary strength and reinforcement to the V-belt for effective torque transmission. Please refer to the figure. Label A indicates the steel wires. The second construction part is base rubber compound. The rubber compound serves as the core that surrounds the steel wires, giving the V-belt its shape. This elastomer not only provides structure but also absorbs shocks during power transmission. Please refer to the figure. Label B indicates the base rubber compound. The third construction part is protective cover. The protective cover is a layer of plastic designed to protect the rubber from the high temperatures generated during V-belt operation. It ensures sufficient tolerance and longevity of the belt. Please refer to the figure. Label C indicates the protective cover. We hope everyone understands the construction parts of the V-belt. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more informative videos. Please like and leave a comment.